So it's not hard to understand why people are enamored with the sound of a 251 tube microphone. It just happens to make everything sound a little bit better, including me. So the NOS Audio 251 is coming out soon. And I got a price for you, an official price. And when I tell you this number, it's going to blow your mind.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
So I was about to go and wax poetic about the 251, but I just got an email from a client. They changed 2 words in a script that I recorded this morning. They just changed 2 words. So I have to go back and re-record that sentence. So this is going to be rather quick. So the NOS Audio 251 is coming out for pre-order at the end of May. And the pre-order price, if I told you that the pre-order price on the NOS 251 was less than $500, you'd be like, whoa. But it's even less than that. The pre-order price, this is confirmed. I was told this. I had to confirm this number because I didn't believe it. The pre-order price on the NOS 251, as was told to me, $399. Are you out of your mind, NOS Audio? NOS Audio, do you hate money or something like that? $399. And this, okay, so I was told that if you pre-order the microphone at that price, you get the Cinemag transformer upgrade for free. I think it's normally an extra $60, which is also ridiculous because I think that's the cost of the transformer. So I don't know if does NOS Audio register as a nonprofit organization? I mean, this is insane. Look, this is proof that I do not work for NOS Audio, and I have no financial ties to NOS Audio because if I did, this microphone would sell for a lot more. $399. What? All right, so for $399, you get the microphone, you get the power supply, you get a really cool pop screen, you get a suitcase. I'm guessing it comes with the whole kit that the NOS 12 does. $399 at pre-order. Now, I do not know how long that price is good for. I think it may just be a pre-order price. And again, you get the Cinemag for free. So since the Cinemag is, it may not be a pre-order price. This may be the price, $399. But at that price, it's not going to last long. I have been told that NOS 12s are in low supply. And I know that they are manufacturing these 251s right now to be ready to launch for pre-order at the end of May. $399 for a 251 built point to point. And the circuit is modeled after the 251 circuit. It's not just kind of like a circuit thrown together. Oh, this sounds like a 251. This is derived from the 251 schematic. It's a 251 for $399. Are you kidding me? All right, I got to get to work. I had to tell you, though, because this is just blowing my mind. All right. Tell me what you think. This is amazing. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.